What would happen if a black hole collides with another black hole? In the vast expanse of space, galaxies aren't always peaceful neighbors. They engage in a phenomenon known as galactic cannibalism. Picture massive galaxies swallowing smaller ones, reshaping the universe in the process. Today, we'll delve into the awe-inspiring and dramatic collisions that occur when galaxies collide, unveiling the secrets behind this cosmic phenomenon. Number 1. Cosmic collisions. Galaxies, despite their enormous distances apart, occasionally collide due to the irresistible pull of gravity. When these cosmic behemoths meet, their gravitational forces distort their shapes and trigger intense bursts of star formation. The collision process can take millions of years, shaping the destiny of both galaxies involved. Number 2. Starburst galaxies. During galactic collisions, clouds of gas and dust collide, compressing and igniting intense episodes of star formation. These regions are called starburst galaxies, where thousands of stars are born in a relatively short time span. The merging galaxies become radiant with the light of these newborn stars, creating visually spectacular celestial displays. Number 3. Formation of elliptical galaxies. Galactic collisions often result in the formation of elliptical galaxies. These galaxies lack the spiral arms characteristic of spiral galaxies like the Milky Way. Instead, they possess a smooth, elliptical shape formed through the merging process. Understanding this transformation provides valuable insights into the evolution of galaxies over cosmic time. Number 4. The Milky Way's past and future. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, has a history of galactic interactions. It's believed that the Milky Way has merged with smaller galaxies in the past, influencing its structure and composition. Moreover, scientists predict that the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda galaxy in about 4.5 billion years, leading to a merger that will create a new larger galaxy dubbed Milkomeda. Number 5. Supermassive black hole duets. In some galactic collisions, the supermassive black holes residing at the centers of galaxies also merge. This process emits powerful gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that were first detected in 2015. Observing these waves provides direct evidence of galactic mergers and offers a unique window into the universe's most cataclysmic events.